Rocco's Vegan Live. Rocco's Vegan Live. All right, today, y'all, we're doing the review video of the Jbuds Air Sport Jlab True Wireless. Yeah. So we're gonna see what we get. As you can see, we have sweat-proof, custom EQ sound, beware of auto on and connect. 40 hours of playtime. I think it's only 6 hours, but with the charging hub here, device, comes to a whole 40 hours, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, it's what you get. So yeah, looking nifty. Looking forward to try these out and see how they go, y'all. So this is just an unboxing, and I'll let you know what I think. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Kind of difficult here. Let's see here. Can I get it open? But yeah, so Jlab, been using their product for some time. Really, this is how it happened. I was in the program. We could go to Walmart every other week. And I needed a new set of headphones to connect to my cell phone at the work release center. So I bought a pair of Jlabs. It was like $9.99 at Walmart. Been using Jlab ever since. Best customer service anywhere of any company I've dealt with so far. And they do a good job of packing these up so they don't come out. Because I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting these out of here with one hand. But yeah, where's my focus at? Come on, focus. Focus, phone, focus. There we go. So it's just Rocco's Vegan Life, y'all. Let me see if I can find something to open this up with real quick. Alright, y'all, got it open. So there we go. Finally. Boom. Nice little case. I like that. Ooh, cord built in. You see that? These have just been released, so it's pretty cool. See if I can get this on here for you all. One-handed. Oh, this thing on my arm. If y'all, road ID, y'all, so it makes a lot of sense. I don't know if y'all watch the Lance Armstrong podcast, but I mean, you're on the road cycling by yourself. It's just unfortunately, you end up, in a ditch, and you can't communicate. You can always use this. So this is great. It's got your contact information on there, everything. Contact your loved ones. So here we are, getting off digressing. Here we are, looking great, y'all. So I'll let you know what y'all think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Leave your comments down in the comment section below. Rocco's Vegan Live. Rocco's Vegan Live.